Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So guys, if you're trying to verify your phone number for your Google account and you're unable to receive a verification code, or you are unable to send a verification code and you see this message while sending a verification code on your phone number, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply turn on the flight mode for one time, and after this you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and from here tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN, and after this go back, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings on your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change your phone number. So guys, change your phone number, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.